Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the essentials: a Notion account, a workspace you can edit, and an integration token. Create the integration now in Notion's Integrations area and copy the token securely. Once done, go to the page or database you want the API to read or write and explicitly share it with the integration. Otherwise, requests will be rejected. Make sure permissions match your needs, read-only or full access, because that determines what the API can do for you. Next, configure your client and run a basic request so you know the integration works. Use curl, Postman, or a small node/Python script. Set authorization to bearer plus your token, and add Notion version with the required date. Query the search or retrieve a database with a GET or POST, including a JSON body. If you receive a 200, you're communicating. If not, inspect headers, token spelling, workspace selection, and ensure the integration was granted access to that page or database. Finally, implement your intended flow and harden the integration. Move the token into environment variables or a secrets manager. Never embed it in client-side code. Once deployed, respect pagination and rate limits by inspecting headers and adding exponential backoff for 429 or 500 responses. If something breaks, log full request and response bodies, include the request ID returned by Notion when contacting support, and recheck that the integration still has share permissions. One troubleshooting tip: revoke and reissue the token if unknown permission errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.